Hi, my name is Wendy Arlidge. I'm a Learning Technologies and Resources Advisor at East Berkshire College, and today I'm going to talk to you about a really cool app to use in the classroom called Haiku Deck. Haiku Deck is pretty much a simple iPad app which encourages students to put together a simplistic PowerPoint-like presentation. The premise is simple. You type in a word and Haiku Deck fills the presentation slide with a gorgeous full-screen image which is Creative Commons and copyright-free. So let's have a look and see how it works. Okay, so I've logged onto my iPad and I've opened the Haiku Deck app, and this is how we'll create a new Haiku Deck. You click on the little cross there. Okay, this is the first slide, so if we click on it and get into the first slide, that was the title slide. Okay, so here we go. So here you can see it says tap to edit. You've got your text here, the little red arrow. Then you've got your image here. And this is the layout and the format of the slide. So first of all, if we put in a word, we could put a word chocolate, hit return, and then we want to find a picture. So the great thing about Haiku Deck is it automatically finds pictures relevant to the keyword you've put in, and they're all Creative Commons. So if we have a little look through here, and it also has similar tags as well. So that if you wanted a picture of a chocolate cake, you could probably click on cake and it would come up with a chocolate cake there. So if we just touch there and you can scroll up, and here you can see there's a nice picture there. So when you've done, you've chosen the picture you want to represent your words. Click on done. And then if you want to get rid of that chocolate in the middle, if we just tap here, I like to put it at the bottom. So if we scroll down a little bit, there's the bottom option. And there you go, it's really just as simple as that. And then if you want to add a new slide, just click on the plus sign again. And you could do cake this time. Then we go to our picture, and it will automatically look up cake for us. You might want to find a birthday cake, so you can click on the recommended tags rather. Okay, there's really good pictures here. Scroll through really funky pictures that they provide. So there you go, we've got prize-winning cake. Press done, and we'll change that so that it's more uniform with the other slide, and cake is at the bottom. If you want to add the thing about Haiku Deck is it really is just encourage short text answers with mainly pictures. So if you want to add a little bit to the word cake, just above it, if you click on cake, you can actually see here, it says you can tap me to add some additional text. So if we start typing there, you could put some sort of a little sentence there. So it would be a good prompt, obviously, if you're using it in the classroom and you had a word that you something that you wanted to describe what it was. You could put the definition and then a word and then a nice picture in the background. So we could put chocolate cake. Okay. So there you go. So it won't let you write very long text answers, but that's the beauty of Haiku Deck is really to focus on the picture and just keep it short and simple. If you want to move your slides around, if you click on the slide, I think if you double click, and you can move it around just like that, so that you can change the order of them. That's pretty much it in regards to putting the actual Haiku Deck together. Now I'm going to cover a little bit about how you can share it, because you can also email it from your iPad, you can embed it, you can send it as a PowerPoint to your email address. So we'll just hit that. If we go back to main menu, and here we've got our slide. So you can see here there's a share option. So if you click on share, and when you first opened Haiku Deck, you can set up an account so that you wouldn't have to go through this here. But so you can sign in, and it would then give you an option to post your item to your Facebook or your Twitter and send it an email. So we show you here. Literally, you can put your Facebook in there, and it would come up as a post on your Facebook. We click back to the main screen. Go back into Haiku Deck. Okay. So also Twitter, you'll be able to embed it there. That's pretty much all there is to Haiku Deck. So if you're interested in using it in the classrooms, so basically for the students to create short, punchy, colourful, vibrant PowerPoint presentations, please do just drop into the Learning Centre and have a word with us, and we'll show you how to use the app in even more detail, and you can take them out with the iPads for your classes. Thank you for your time.